Hey y'all, happy October. I'm trying something a little bit new today and a little uncomfortable, but I'm coming to you from my own kitchen over a hot cup of coffee. I just thought it might be fun to kind of shake things up, and I would love your feedback. So after you get done with the video, respond to this email and let me know if you like this, don't like this, or what you would like to see if you have a new idea. So it is the start of a new season. It's the start of the last quarter of the year, and that has me very excited. I think it's a great time to really stay focused and try to achieve those last goals that maybe you haven't quite hit yet, and to be excited about where the end of this year and the start of the new year can bring you. I love goal planning, and then on top of that, I really love Q4. I love that it brings in a season that is truly about intentionality, connecting with people, family, friends, and remembering just what's important in life. So I'm very excited about this time of year, and also with the change that may or may not be coming. You know, we have a presidential election in just over a month. A lot of people are asking me, how does the presidential election impact the real estate market? Well, in my opinion, truthfully, yes, it can have an impact, but that really is speaking just economically. New administrations may or may not have policies that could impact the market for buyers or sellers. So what I recommend is that just to historically look at where we are in the economy. We see that there are rising prices. The Fed is actively lowering the interest rate and may continue to do so through the end of the year and into 2025. So I would look at those indicators versus just focusing on which party ends up in the White House at the beginning of January. So if you have questions about what you should be considering if you're a buyer or a seller, I'd love to chat with you personally. And even if you're not considering a buy or sell in 2025, I would love to connect with you. It has been a blessing to be able to get to know each and every one of you over the last few years. And this is truly such a time of gratitude that I am just very thankful to have all of you in my circle, and would love to catch up and see how you're doing. One other thing on that note, as we enter the season of busyness with all the holidays, Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas, I wanted to share a resource that's been amazing for my family. We found a business called White Glove Assembly here in Charleston over the last few months. My mom actually moved here this summer, and she had quite a bit of furniture that needed assembled. And so we found Cooper and his company, and he's fantastic. He will come and assemble anything that you need assembled, move furniture, hang photos, hang mirrors. He can install Ring doorbells and really just some various tasks that we honestly haven't had a lot of time for. So if you're in that season, or if you're considering sprucing up your place prior to listing next spring, he is a phenomenal resource that I'm going to make sure to link below. I would love to feature any other resources that y'all found handy over the last few months, or someone that is like a trusted provider here in the area. Local business is very important to support. I think that we can all do a better job of trying to recommend those people that have really shown up for us and been consistent resources through the years. So if you have someone that you want me to get to know or that you can recommend, be sure to email me and let me know. And I hope that you all have a great October and a happy Halloween.